Hello mental health heroes, welcome to the Academy. Today we are meeting Cybersense and she is here to show us how we can use our senses to take a mindful moment. Today's training will require all of your senses. Do you know what the 5 senses are? Let's see if you're right. Hearing, sight, touch, smell, taste. Your senses can help to ground you so that you can focus your mind on what really matters. Remember, some people might not have all 5 senses, but this just makes them even more of a hero because their other senses are more powerful. Time to see if you are up to scratch. Are you ready? Let's see what you can do, heroes. First up, hearing. Listen to this sound. What sounds do you hear? Where do you think I am? If you guessed the outdoors, that's right. Well done, heroes. Next, we are going to test our sight. I want you to look around the room and find anything blue. How many blue things can you see? Using your eyes is important to ground you. It will keep you calm and make you more aware of your surroundings. Our next sense to test is touch. Start to feel the fabric on your top, between your fingers. What does it feel like? What do you think it is made from? Now let's focus on what we can smell. Some places have smells that are comforting, such as when you are in a field filled with flowers. Close your eyes and imagine you are in that field. Breathe in through your nose. Can you smell the flowers? Our last sense to test is taste. Foods are full of lots of different flavors. Close your eyes and imagine you are eating something. Is it sweet? Is it sour? Does it taste salty? Think about how it tastes. Great job, heroes! Using all 5 senses will help you to be mindful of everything around you. This is what we call grounding yourself. This is a good thing to try next time you are struggling to focus your mind.